What would it be like to wake up every morning with the knowledge that your bank account is rising without you having to do anything to make it happen? One of the most attractive aspects of passive income is that it may be generated even while you are sleeping, on vacation, or spending time with the people you most care about. Isn't it like something out of a dream? Having said that, it is time to turn your dream into a reality. If you leave a comment below, I will walk you through the steps necessary to begin living the life of your dreams while earning passive money without any effort. Why should income be passive? Lifestyle changes are required to achieve passive income, which is more than simply a trendy financial word. This is about developing numerous sources of income that work for you, which will help you to break away from the usual grind of working from 9 to 5 and instead pursue the things that you are passionate about. The ability to generate passive income can make it feasible for you to achieve your goals of seeing the world, spending more time with your family, or simply living a life that is free of stress. However, where do you even begin? It may appear to be an insurmountable obstacle, but with the appropriate actions and mentality, anyone can attain the goal of achieving financial independence. Using this guide, you will learn how to discover the secrets to live the life of your dreams through effortless passive income. Understanding passive income, what it is and what it is not, is the first step in the process. It is essential to have a solid understanding of what the term passive income actually refers to before delving into the many ways to create passive income. The term passive income refers to money that is earned with few ongoing efforts. Passive income, on the other hand, enables you to earn money even while you are not actively working, in contrast to active income, which requires you to work continuously. Nevertheless, this does not imply that there is no involvement whatsoever from the very beginning. The establishment of a passive income stream calls for initial effort, time, and sometimes even financial investment. However, once it is established, it operates with a minimal amount of oversight. That which is not passive revenue is as follows. Get-rich-quick scheme. The development of passive income requires both time and effort. You should not anticipate instant results. It is necessary to make an initial commitment of either time, money, or effort. There is no work involved at all. The one-size-fits-all approach. What is successful for one individual could not be successful for another. Finding something compatible with your abilities, interests, and resources is the first step. When it comes to passive income, there are a variety of streams available to you. There is an infinite number of ways to get passive income, but the most important thing is to pick the ones that are most suitable for you. Let's take a look at some of the more common ways. The first category is real estate investments. Real estate investment is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to produce passive income. It's also one of the most lucrative. When you own rental properties, you have the opportunity to generate monthly rental revenue. Let me show you how to get started. Renting out a house and collecting rent every month is an example of the buy and hold strategy. The acronym REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. Investing in real estate investment trusts is a hassle-free way to gain money from real estate for those who do not wish to manage their properties. Property rentals for vacations. By renting out your home to travelers through platforms such as Airbnb, you have the opportunity to generate cash. Stocks that pay dividends. When you invest in stocks that pay dividends, you will continue to get a percentage of the earnings that the firm generates regularly. Those who have an interest in the stock market and who wish to increase their money over some time will find this to be a perfect option. You should make sure to invest in reputable businesses that have been around for a long time and have a track record of maintaining dividend payments. Reinvest dividends. Put the dividends you've earned to use by purchasing additional shares and compounding your initial investment. If you have a talent for making things, digital items such as ebooks, online courses, and printables might be an excellent way to generate passive income for yourself. Once these things have been made, they can be sold multiple times with very little to no ongoing effort required. Electronic books. Compose a book about a subject that you have a strong interest in and then publish it on web-based platforms such as Amazon Kindle. Course available online. Utilize online sites such as Udemy or Teachable to share your knowledge and experience. Create digital downloads such as planners, workbooks, or art prints and sell them on websites such as Etsy so that you can make money. Marketing through affiliates. It is possible to generate passive income through affiliate marketing, which can be a lucrative opportunity if you have a website, a blog, or a significant following on social media. You can earn a commission on every sale that is made through your referrals if you promote things that you believe should be sold. Pick a specialty market. Concentrate on a certain field to establish credibility and trust with your target audience. Authenticity is important, so make sure to promote the products you use. Only advocate things that you have personally tested and have faith in. Building your passive income plan is the third step in the process of getting started. Developing a passive income stream is not something that can be accomplished fast, yet it is attainable if one has a well-thought-out plan. To get started, this is how to do it. The first step is to evaluate your abilities and interests. Make sure that the ideas you choose for passive income are in line with your abilities, knowledge, and interests. Not only does this make the procedure more fun, but it also enhances the likelihood that you will be successful. Begin on a small scale and work your way up. Start with one or two different sources of passive income. After they have been formed and are capable of generating revenue, you will be able to diversify your portfolio and add more streams. Make the most of your time investments. Large amounts of time and effort may be required for the first setup. Be ready to make a prudent investment of this time, emphasizing quality rather than quantity. Automate procedures wherever it is possible. Use technology to automate operations such as scheduling social media posts for affiliate marketing or generating emails for your digital items. This may be accomplished by leveraging technology. Maintaining and expanding your passive income is part of the fourth point. It is crucial to monitor and maintain your passive income streams once they are operational. This will ensure that they continue to grow and provide you with additional revenue. Utilize the money you generate to invest in more chances for passive income. This is what we mean by reinvesting earnings. Maintain your knowledge. Maintain a current awareness of the trends and changes in the sector that may have an impact on your sources of income. You should diversify. A single source should not be relied upon. The more distinct sources of income you have, the more stable your income will be. Myths about passive income that are widely believed to be true are debunked. To get started, you need a high amount of money. Affiliate marketing and the creation of digital items are two examples of passive revenue streams that can be started with very little to no money compared to other passive income streams, which require an upfront investment. Passive income is entirely dependent on the individual's actions. Keep in mind that producing passive income needs initial work. In the beginning, you will be required to invest either time or money, but the objective is for it to eventually become completely hands-off. Earning passive income does not involve any risk. As is the case with every investment, there are dangers associated. It is of the utmost importance to conduct research, make plans, and efficiently manage your passive income streams. The life of your dreams is waiting for you. Start taking action right away. Now that you have a plan for generating passive income without any effort on your part, it is time to proceed with your plans. Your first step should be to evaluate your skills, select the appropriate sources of income, and make a commitment to your approach. There is a lot of learning and development that goes into the process of becoming financially independent, but if you are persistent, you can achieve the life of your dreams. Want to go into more detail? Leave a remark below, and together we will discover the factors that will allow you to live the life of your dreams. At every stage of the process, I will be here to assist you. Whether you have questions or require direction on how to get started, you are now on the path to earning passive income without any effort. Enjoying the content? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. We love hearing from you.